Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to build Sumo Robot, full guide. Gather a chassis, motors, microcontroller, sensors, battery, and basic tools before you start. Begin by sketching dimensions and mounting points, then secure motors and wheels to the frame. Wire the motor driver to the microcontroller and test motor direction with short pulses. Calibrate sensors for edge detection and opponent sensing. Plan power distribution and safe battery mounting. Start with a clear design goal and weight limit for competition class. Sketch the chassis to keep the center of gravity low and stable. Choose motor size based on total mass and wheel diameter, and match a driver that handles stall current. Plan sensor placement for reliable edge detection and opponent sensing, keeping wiring short. Consider adding wedge shapes or skirts to maximize pushing power and prevent opponent grip effectively. Wire components neatly to avoid shorts and to simplify troubleshooting later. Use a motor driver with adequate current rating and add a power switch and fuse for safety. Implement a compact control loop that reads sensors at regular intervals and adjusts motor PWM accordingly. Start with basic behaviors like forward, reverse, and turn, then add opponent engagement rules. Log sensor readings during tests to refine thresholds and response timing iteratively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.